Hello students. Basic concepts in geometry, video number 2. In this video, we are going to learn betweenness. If P, Q, R are three distinct collinear points, there are three possibilities. Is possibility number 1, point Q lies between P and R. Case 2, point R lies between P and Q. Case number 3, point P lies between R and Q. Now see here, distance PQ, first figure, distance PQ plus distance QR is equals to distance PR. Then it is said that point Q is between P and R. It is denoted as P dash Q dash R. This means point Q lies between P and R. Now here PQ and QR are the smaller distances and PR is the greater distance. So here if sum of the two smaller distances is equals to greater, then points are collinear and we can decide which point is between the other two. There are two solved examples in the textbook 1 and 2 is page number 3. Refer the solved problems. We will go to example 3 page 4 which is solved in the textbook, but I am giving another solution of this problem. What is the problem? The coordinate of point A on a number line is 5. Find the coordinates of points on the same number line which are 13 units away from A. Read the problem from the textbook and now see the solution. Here it is the number line. There is a point A. Its coordinate is 5. We have to find coordinates of the points which are at a distance of 13 units from the point A. So one point could be to the left, suppose that point is T, and other one could be to the right, which is D. Okay, now see here, let points T and D be on the same number line as shown in the figure. Let coordinate of point T be X and that of D be Y. We are given that AT is equals to AD. Yes, that is distance AT is equals to distance AD and that is equals to 13 units. See here. AT is equals to AD is equals to 13 units. This is given. Now pay attention. How we find distance between the 2 points. Distance AT is equals to 5 minus X. Is as 5 is greater and X is smaller. X is to the left of 5, so it is smaller. So distance AT is equals to 5 minus X. So 13 is equals to 5 minus X. So X is equals to 5 minus 13 and that is equals to negative 8, which is coordinate of the point T. To find the distance between 2 points, we have to subtract the smaller coordinate from the greater. Okay, now distance AD is what? Y minus 5, because y is to the right of number 5. So y is greater. 13 is equals to 5 y minus 5. 5 to this side. 13 plus 5 is equals to y. So y is equals to 18. Therefore, required coordinates of points T and D are -8 and 18. Okay. Now we will go to practice set 1.1 page 5. So you have to refer the textbook. See, here it is. Question number 1. Find the distance with the help of the number line given below. They have given the number line, points are given, coordinates are given. Sub question number 6, 7 and 8 are eliminated and we have to solve first 5 questions. Is we have to find out distance BE. Okay, distance JA. I am considering this JA. Distance JA. J is here, A is here. Okay. To find the distance between these 2 points, we have to subtract the smaller coordinate from the greater. So let us see here. Distance JA is equals to 1 minus -2. This gives us 3. Distance PC is equals to 3 minus -4. 3 is the greater coordinate, -4 is the smaller coordinate. To find the distance, we have to subtract the smaller coordinate from the greater. This gives us 7. So distance PC is equals to 7. Is sub question number 5. Distance KO. Coordinate of point O is 0 and that of K is -3. -3 is smaller and 0 is greater. So 0 minus -3. That gives us 3. So distance KO is equals to 3. So question number 1 is suggests us how to find the distance between any 2 points on the number line. So how to find? To find the distance between any 2 points on the number line, we have to subtract the smaller coordinate from the greater. Now question number 2. Coordinates of points A is X and that of B is Y, and we have to find out distance AB. Sub question number 5 and 6 are eliminated and we have to solve first 4 questions. So see here, question number 2, sub question number 1, X is equals to 1, Y is equals to 7. This is coordinate of point. X is the coordinate of point A and Y is the coordinate of point B. So distance AB is equals to Y minus X. Subtract the smaller coordinate from the greater. So 7 minus 1, that gives us 6. So distance AB is equals to 6. Is now sub question number 2. X is equal to 6 and Y is equals to -2. -2 is smaller, X is greater. So distance AB is what? Subtract the smaller coordinate from the greater. So 6 minus -2, this gives us 8. So distance between points A and B is equals to 8. Sub question number 4. X is equals to -4, Y is equals to -5. -5 is the smaller coordinate, -4 is the greater coordinate. So distance AB is equals to greater coordinate -4 minus smaller coordinate -5. This minus and this minus is plus, and -4 plus 5 is equals to 1. So distance AB is equals to 1. Now we'll go to question number 3. From the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. If the points are not collinear, state so. So from this question also, sub question number 4, 5 and 6 are eliminated from the portion. So we have to solve the first 3. Now We'll go to sub question number 1. Pay attention. Is distance PR plus distance QR is equals to 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. So result number 1. This is the sum of two smaller distances, which is equals to 10. Distance PQ is equals to 10. This is given result number 2. So from 1 and 2, what we get? Distance PR plus distance QR is equals to distance PQ. So we have here distance PQ is equals to distance PR plus distance QR. This is from 1 and 2. Now see here, as sum of the two smaller distances is equals to greater distance. So given points are collinear. And now which point is between the other? Now see here, distance PR plus distance QR. Here R is the common point. This point lies between these 2 points P and Q. So here points are collinear and we get what we get? P dash R dash Q, means point R is between P and Q. Sub question number 2. Distance ST and distance RT are the smaller distances. Their sum is 10. This is result number 1. Distance RS is equals to 8. Result number 2. Now this 10 is not equals to 8. So what we get here? Here distance RS not equals to distance ST plus distance RT from 1 and 2. So here the points are not collinear. If equality is there, points are collinear. If equality is not there, not equals to, then the points are not collinear.